Oh yeah.
It's my calling on this beat.
I wanna give you love, utapenda. Girl, penzi letu litaweza. I wanna take you home to my mama. I wanna give you love, utapenda. Girl, penzi letu litaweza. I wanna take you home to my mama. So now we are feel set the mood. Your body got me on the move. Unavyosonga got me confused. It's you how we choose, yeah. The way you want you waist, haki baby, unipe chance. Me love to see your pretty body fierce. Napenda see your pretty body waist, yeah. I like the way you come for me. Mash up the place and wine for me, girl. Nakutaka, nakuwaza. I wanna give you love, utapenda. Girl, penzi letu litaweza. I wanna take you home to my mama. I wanna give you love, utapenda. Girl, penzi letu litaweza. I wanna take you home to my mama. Niwe, baby sta kucheza ni mi na we. Wengine wanashinda kurelate. Mami nakutaka twende ka date. Yeah, yeah. I like the way you come for me. Mash up the place and wine for me, yeah. Nakutaka, nakuwaza. I like the way you come for me. Mash up the place and wine for me, yeah. Nakutaka, nakuwaza. Nakutaka, nakuwaza. I wanna give you love, utapenda. Girl, penzi letu litaweza. I wanna take you home to my mama. I wanna give you love, utapenda. Girl, penzi letu litaweza. I wanna take you home to my mama. To my mama, yeah.
Oh, is that my calling again?
Oh yeah.
It's my calling on this beat.
I wanna give you love, utapenda. Girl, penzi letu litaweza. I wanna take you home to my mama. I wanna give you love, utapenda. Girl, penzi letu litaweza. I wanna take you home to my mama. So now we are feel set the mood. Your body got me on the move. Unavyosonga got me confused. It's you how we choose, yeah. The way you want you waist, haki baby, unipe chance. Me love to see your pretty body fierce. Napenda see your pretty body waist, yeah. I like the way you come for me. Mash up the place and wine for me, girl. Nakutaka, nakuwaza. I wanna give you love, utapenda. Girl, penzi letu litaweza. I wanna take you home to my mama. I wanna give you love, utapenda. Girl, penzi letu litaweza. I wanna take you home to my mama. Niwe, baby sta kucheza ni mi na we. Wengine wanashinda kurelate. Mami nakutaka twende ka date. Yeah, yeah. I like the way you come for me. Mash up the place and wine for me, yeah. Nakutaka, nakuwaza. I like the way you come for me. Mash up the place and wine for me, yeah. Nakutaka, nakuwaza. Nakutaka, nakuwaza. I wanna give you love, utapenda. gal penzi letu litaweza. I wanna take you home to my mama. I wanna give you love, utapenda. Gal penzi letu litaweza. I wanna take you home to my mama. Take you home to my mama.
Oh, is that my calling again?
Oh yeah.
It's my calling on this beat.
I wanna give you love, utapenda. Gal penzi letu litaweza. I wanna take you home to my mama. I wanna give you love, utapenda. All right, welcome back to my stream. So confirm that you're logged in. Tell me in the comment section. It's good to have everybody on board. It's another day, another opportunity. So as always, we start from the high time frame. You can see the price is actually very, very aggressive on the buy side. So that is it. We start. Just make sure that you're watching. Just tell me, confirm that you're watching me, if you can hear me loud and clear. All right, everybody, it's good to have you. It's good to have everybody on board. Tell me if you can hear me in the comment section. So the first person was Marizona. Jerry, let's get it. Ndo kuingia aces and merchants, you know. Thank you guys. Thank you, Snyder. We have Nana from Ghana. We have Matters Football, my good guy from X. We have this name is how. Oh my god, that name is hard. Hello. So we have Gaki Marete locked in. Good afternoon from US. It's good to have Gaki from the United States. We have Dan Oroga. Gaki Marete says ndio kurauka, another day, another dollar. Locked in. We have Vincent Wafula. We have the goalpost locked in, 27 people. So before we start, just take a moment and hit the like button. Please confirm that you can hear me. Confirm that you can hear me. If I'm loud, if I'm audible. Is it audible? I don't know. So today, you can see we started this journey last week, the buy move on high time frame. Remember, this is how you catch. You know, there are some of us who are, you know, positional traders. There is the scalpers. There's you know, the intraday. We have the, you know, wale wana hold trade for 2 weeks or so. Wanaitwa the swing traders. So for swings, those that swing, this is a good move that is over 1,000 pips. So 1,000 pips. So if you had this trade from last week, you still be in profit of over 1,000 pips. Loud and clear. Good to have Joe. So guys, just take a moment and click the like button, and then also you'll do me a favor by just taking the, if you're serious about this and you feel this has been helpful to you, just take a moment and click the share button and get the link. Share it in your community. Maybe it's a WhatsApp group or any community that you're in, maybe on X, or you can send it to someone who needs this information.
So good to have everybody. Let's see. Price is currently reacting from internal range liquidity, which is a weekly fair value gap. So we said that if price is not filling an imbalance, it is clearing liquidity. So this was an imbalance on the high time frame. You can see the fair value gap that has been filled by price. So this is the weekly fair value gap. That is why we are targeting now the external range liquidity. You see. So this is the target. This external high. I think this should be the all-time high. So this is the buy side liquidity. You can just put it like that. This is the liquidity level on. So this is what we are targeting. This external high. This external range liquidity. So just take a moment and share the live. Take a moment and share the live with a community or X. It's a good thing. So that is what I see on weekly. Another thing that I see, price took out the liquidity that we are expecting and actually has not gone below, which is okay. So this is the previous week high. The liquidity has been taken out. So if I drop down to daily time frame, what do I see? I should see price has taken out the previous day high. So the thing here about bias, you can see, let me show you. Price has actually broken out of the consolidation, as you can see. So the buy side liquidity was taken. So I'm not looking to sell, and I'll tell you why. So the reason why I couldn't sell, because the previous week high was taken out. You can see now what we are having here is a beautiful buy story. You can see price took out Y, B, H. The Y, the previous day high. Okay, so the previous day high is a level of liquidity, and it did not just take out the previous day high, it closed above with a body. That is why you're seeing the price going higher, filling all this void that is here. So I'm not looking to sell right now. My bias is still bullish according to how I'm seeing it. Steven is hilarious, logged in from South Dakota. I don't know what that place is. It's good to have Steven. It's been a good follow. Just take a moment and share the live. You can click share it among your friends that are traders. Yeah. So this is YM US30. So the price will continue higher. There is no level of liquidity on daily that I can see here. Price is continuing higher. I don't look for sell opportunities right now. Just buy opportunities. When I drop down to 4 hours time frame, what do I see? You see, the stories don't lie. What I told you. If you see here, this was yesterday's price action. I can just move the previous day high. Just to explain to you what the body is telling me right now. You can see this candle. Let me show you. So this candle came and closed above. You see now, this is how you know bias, just looking at the bodies. So price comes, takes out this high, closes above. So that is why you see the next candle went aggressively bullish. And then you see the same thing happens. It sweeps the high and closes above. So there's a bit of consolidation here. Then price continues high. So if I just look at that and see the current candle that I have right now, this is the high, and the price has closed above. That is why you're seeing the buy continuing. So I'm not looking to sell, but also remember, I think we are at an order block. So this order block that is on 4 hours is a key level. I'm just hoping this is an unmitigated order block, but let me see what happens. So this is an unmitigated order block that has been mitigated right away. So let me see if it pushes prices down to fill the unfilled fair value gaps. So that is how I'm determining my bias today. 38 people locked in. We have oh my god, we have the prince, Mr. Chef, the finest chef around. We have Ianoti, this guy from Mombasa. It's good to have Ian. So this is what I'm saying. This is an order block. So I'm trying to determine my bias. So the thing is, price might be pushed below. Price might go below, but it's strongly bullish. I want you to know that. But this is an order block. But just by looking at the level, if I just take my gun box, the last line of defense is this. What do you call it? The 0.75 level. Price is almost actually there. So I like dissecting my key levels to make sure I am precise. You can see the 0.75. This is the last line of defense to look for a sell. But we have once this candle closes, this will be an unfilled fair value gap. So just wait. Let me just make a marking here. This is the last line of defense. Last line of defense. The order block. So ours is just wait and see what price does. But remember, I'm maintaining a bullish moment, a bullish. You know, at 9:30 we'll have found out the good entry. At 9:30, that's when we'll have a very clear bias price. But I'm just rooting for a buy to continue, unless otherwise, if price comes here and doesn't form a sell setup, then I'm just going to be continuing higher. But all that will be clear in the next 4 minutes because we have the 9:30 delivery coming up. So we have the football spear. It's good to have it. Let's see. Let us see. That is what I can see. Trump is speaking at what I mean. Trump will be speaking at 5:30. No, 6:15. So this is there will be an impact. So it's good that you don't engage too quick. That is what I see on US30. I'm not looking to sell it now unless 9:30 shows me otherwise. Just to check what is happening to Nasdaq. So I have Nasdaq. Price has been bullish. So remember, I told you that shorting when the price is at the all-time high can be very crazy. Can be crazy, you know. And you can see even on weekly, the body is telling you a beautiful story. You see the candle closed. Okay. No. There's nothing on weekly. On daily, you can see the story. We had this, the all-time high was here, so the price did a small retracement. It's continuing higher. You can see price took out the high and actually closed above with a solid body. That is why you are seeing a continuation going higher. So that is how you establish bias. If I check 4 hours, remember there is no PDRA to match price. There's a very strong buy that is happening. So if you want to catch a trend continuation, you just look at 50 minutes key level. So in the next 4 minutes, we can expect price maybe to come visit. Let me see 1 hour or 50 minutes. I can check 1 hour here. So 1 hour, I have this fair value gap, but I don't think price will come back here. So this is a H1 fair value gap. Price might come in and then go out. So if not this 1 hour fair value gap, I can have the 50 minutes. So because price it's in the next 2 minutes, price might decide to do a stop punch below here and then continue higher. So there's nothing else I see even on 50 minutes. The 1 hour there's an order block. I mean on 50 minutes this is an order block. And then on the same place where there is an H1 fair value gap, on 50 minutes it's still a fair value gap. So price might just do a stop hunt and then a retracement and then continue higher, or it can just decide to go higher. Remember, there is no PDRA to compare price to because Nasdaq or NQ is at the all-time highs. So mine is just to be patient, wait and see what happens. Okay, amazing. So let's just wait and see. If price is supposed to sell, I want to see it come at a 50 minutes key level. You can see the same price action is on US30. You see? So we had this fair value gap and price came actually generated a low. No, it has not taken out the low. This is a fair value gap on 50 minutes. So price will let's just wait, see if price does a retracement and then we can continue higher. But remember, we are at an order block that is unmitigated. That makes it high probability. So prices might actually go down Remember the last line of defense is here, and this is an order block. We expect some resistance from here, but remember we just got at the above the 50%, and then we had the high, the order block here. So let's see if price will sell or we'll have a buy continuation. Ours is just wait and see what happens. So we have the football spear says, leo na hope umefuliza tokens manze, lazima mnibuy tokens bana. Otherwise the matrix will attack me. We have done. Oraga says, can that H4 on 29 July? Or, oh God, what are you saying? I don't. Fair value up on Tuesday. With the highs used to send prices lower. Are you talking about Dow or are you talking about NQ? NQ, it's at the all-time high. So Moabs, my good friend, my very good friend, is actually the person that made me do this stream. Mo, shout out to you. Uni dem anapenda gold. Watu wa gold, chuma. Hii chuma itawaua walai. So I think there's someone asking about July 29th. So you're talking about this fair value gap. You can see, but most probably, let me just wait for buys. That's what I'm looking at. This is price is approaching the last line of defense. So I'm hoping the price will just attack all these and go higher. So there's a level of liquidity here. We have a buy side liquidity here. Price might take it out and then do a small retracement. So this buy side liquidity. Buy side liquidity. So you can see the order block. Actually, the price will can just do whatever it wants. This is the last line of defense. I cannot look for a sell unless now price takes out this buy side liquidity. So ours is just wait for that. You know, what has happened? How fast was this? What the hell just happened? You mean price has done what I was anticipating and it's reacting. So I've just marked this fair value gap. Price has got in because I was anticipating for, you know, trend continuation. So this was the 50 minutes fair value gap that I marked. You can see I marked it. So price has gone in and has gone out. If I check 1 minute time frame, what do I see? Yeah, so now this is officially our breaker. So let us see if price gets pushed higher. So remember, price has done the stop hunt, but it's at, let me see, let me just wait and see, let me just watch. I'm just going to mark these last couple of sell candles, buy candles, before price sold into a fair value gap. So, so let me see if this one sends price higher. But now, okay, it might not do that because price has gotten to this week. You see, there's a rejection block over here. This is where I put my last line of defense. Price actually might sell up to down here, but let me just wait and see. Price has just acted so fast, faster than I actually thought. Oh God, I don't know. Let me see if this rejection can push prices down. Let me just check. But I doubt. I actually doubt. But let me just wait. Let me see if the buy goes. You want to mean I'm not going to get a trade? God, I don't like this. I don't like this because I'm not be able to push a trade early. So I have this one, the last sell before price, the last buy candles before price went bearish, taking out sell side liquidity. Price comes, closes higher. So this is a breaker actually. Let me just wait and see what's gonna happen. Wewe ni msichana wa kwanza nimesikia kusema chuma inamsumbua. Ile chuma ni moto hadi. Ama ni chuma gani? Sema demu anapenda chuma. Oh my God, only the queen of metals, you know, more. Iron lady. So let us see. I might not be able to put a trade because price is actually come mapema where I was expecting. Where I was expecting. You see now it has reacted very fast from this level without even me seeing it. So you can see price has actually gone the way I wanted it to. It's just 50 pips. I may not be able to execute because so well I just have to wait. I'll see what happens. So let me just mark this sell liquidity inside this key level here. The price might decide to just come and do a stop hunt and then continue higher. Remember, we take trades only inside macro. If it is outside macro, we are cooked. Becomes low probability. The macro that we are having right now is the, the 950, the 920 to 940. In 5 minutes, the macro will end. Let us see what happens. 53 people locked in. Unajam juu ya chuma. Oh God. Gold will kill you. Hizi chuma ya kawaida. So let's see what Nasdaq is doing. NQ. So NQ has actually not done what the other pair has done. You can see it's just going higher. If it doesn't come there, I cannot be able to buy. So just to check it, if US30 has taken out any side of liquidity, it will just go higher. That's the problem. So it deliver without me. I'm going to die from the fear of miss. That's why I don't like these trend continuations. I prefer a reversal, you see. But this one is actually in play the way we wanted it to. It's just not inside our macro. So you don't have to always have pressure that you have to put a trade. These trades can just go. Whenever you're lucky, whenever the trade forms your conditions in the right place, you can just engage. So we'll have this macro here, but price is going the way I wanted it to. I'll be hitting my take profits, but Sasas don't know what is happening. Just give me some likes, guys. Nipatieni some likes. We have 50 people, so I expect like 50 likes. So I think that was a nice call. As much as price is going without me. So technically, I have marked this region because price has done a retracement at a 50-minute key level. That is why it's continuing higher. That's how, as long as you know your bias, you can just wait for a continuation at a 50-minute key level. So you can see price is going higher from the breaker that I marked. Then you have the sell liquidity inside here. But the price is going without me, unfortunately, but it's okay. I'm having the fear of missing out, but because I cannot chase price. If I chase price, I'll be punished. You know that very well. So we are targeting this buy side liquidity here. Remember, this is how we do it. This is how we win. This is how we win every single day. So 58 people locked in. I just called US30 and it's reacting very well. So let me see if I'm gonna get a trade. But now Sasa Shida, it is almost at 90, 50, 60 pips, and I'm not inside the trade. Look at that, 76 pips. If it comes back, it might just inaweza kuwa kuja kunitoa manze. But let's just wait. We wait and see. Let's wait. Let's hold our. Let's just be patient. Let's be patient. I have actually put a link. I've put a link that you can join my small community. Because I might not be able to talk to everyone on DM because I get so many DMs asking some questions. So price is actually delivering very well, very fast, but just without me. Remember, this game is all about patience. You don't need to suffer from the fear of missing out. So this will happen every day. So you don't have to worry if the setup is going without you, because that setup will always form at another time. That is it. Let's wait and see. Price is actually taking out the buy side liquidities. Munaona? Okay. So you see that was a nice call. So we have Evans locked in. We have the football spear. Wavinya, wewe huna remote ya kucharge. Hai, Wavinya bana, more is deep state. Only deep state mbaya sana. So you're targeting this buy side liquidity, and then the target will be delivered just without us. But the thing is, we're just able to catch high quality setups that actually happen in our time. You know, this was actually a zero retracement trade. I just missed it because I was just trying to analyze from the high time frame. So at 9:30 price has actually acted very fast, and I don't like reacting at 9:30. So that is why I wait for 9:50. So it looks like I might have a sell, but mine is just wait. Okay, Steven says on Dow Friday 20. On Dow Friday July 20 daily candle. Let me check what you're asking, Steven. Remember, so you're talking about this one. This is actually a breaker, yes. This is a breaker. And we will push prices down actually. You see this one was the last sell candle before price went higher. That's a breaker. So inside here now, these were the first people to sell from the breaker. You see where I've put my buy side liquidity, that's where the breaker is. So what I'm meaning is, if I just can show you the last sell candle before the price went bullish, not just going bullish, but swept buy side liquidity, you can see here. So we have this buy side liquidity here. Niko na headache manze, so I'm not able to laugh a lot. Nikicheka nitaumwa na kichwa sana. So this is the buy side liquidity. This was actually the sell candle before the price went bullish. So apparently this candle was supposed to push prices up. Unfortunately, what happened, not unfortunately, but what happened is currently we're inside this break actually. I think we might sell after the price takes out the high. So this order block was supposed to push prices higher, but instead the price came and closed below. So what happened, this price got in inside using this candle. You can see where the buy side liquidity have marked. So after the price takes out this buy side liquidity and gets around the 0.5, I might have a beautiful sell. I hope you understand. So Steven, I think that's a very nice. Thank you for reminding me about this breaker. You remember that is where the order block. That is where the buy side liquidity on even on 4 hours is. So these highs is inside this. These were the first people to sell from the breaker. So this is a major target for price to come and attack. So once it takes out this level, I might look for a sell now, and then it comes at around the 0.5. So mine is just wait for price to come there. I cannot do anything if price does not come there. So I can just mark the 0.5 level of the breaker that I anticipate to engage. Remember the reason I've not gotten into that breaker. The reason I've not gotten into that into that buy is because price has reacted when I was doing the analysis. You see, you guys were here. You would see. You've seen. See it. I'm making up stories. Prices. Any price may react before any check yan. So we are waiting for 0.5, and then the buy side liquidity to be taken out, and then I can remove my drawing. So those are the levels I'm expecting price to react from. Remember, I cannot chase this buy when it's here because my risk will not be very well defined. This would be my initial entry, but this was at 9:30. So we don't react exactly at 9:30. I don't like doing that because price has not settled. All right. So Birmingham says, talk about the lot size for small accounts like 100 USD, boss. 100 USD, just use 0.02 for US30. Otherwise, you'll wipe out your account. 0.02, you can make, if price, like if you're having that $100, what you just do, let me show you. If you have that $100 and you have a 0.02 trade, if you bought from here and your stop loss was here at 47, you'd lose like, if it was a 0.01, you'd lose $4.6. But because it's 0.02, you'd lose like $9. But you stand to make, Maliko says you would have made $20. You see, 106. You see, that's how you make $20. So those that are asking, this one you actually can even take these trades on even a $10 account, as long as you have this kind of entries, because I told you that the money is never the problem, it's just the skill set that is a problem. So price has delivered to the key level that I wanted. This buy side liquidity has been taken out. So let me, as I wait for the next 5 minutes for price to come, I'll wait for a setup around here, maybe around here, so that I can short it. So, but this was a beautiful call. Price has actually gone the way nilikuwa nataka. 63 people locked in. So Steven, I've answered your question. Birmingham says, okay. So on that current dealing range, where are we? Yes, we're in deep premium, of course. We're in premium. I'm just waiting for price to react from there. We're in deep premium. So guys, I'm just asking you to take a moment. If that was a beautiful call that you've learned, and if you've learned something from what I was calling from when the stream was starting, you can hit some likes. You can hit the like button. If you've not subscribed, you can subscribe. If you've not hit the notification bar, now is your time. You know, we just assist each other to grow. I give you the skills, you give me your attention. You see. Yeah, so you can see this is a beautiful delivery. This is how you make 100 pips every day in less than, less than how long? This is like the last 13 minutes. You have your paycheck and you're out there. So I will try to sell if price comes around here. So I want the price to do a small retracement and then do a stop punt, and then I can try to short it. So you can see price has delivered beautifully. This is where the 0.5 level of the nini is. The 0.5 of the thing upon the echo. So just tell me in the comment section if that was insightful. You can just comment. We have 63 people locked in. Say something on the comment section. Tell me if you've understood why I've called the buy, and it as if any kama imekuwa fiti. Kizungu ni mingi ngumu. Kama imekuwa fiti, just tell me if you've learned something from that. Let me check Nasdaq. I don't want to check Nasdaq because I really want to put that sell. This thing is messed up. You can see it has not revisited the 50-minute key level that I marked. So I'm not going to engage. That is it. But also this order block here. See, this one is actually an order block. So we have this fair value gap or this order block, but it has revisited this order block. So check 1 minute time frame. What do I see? You may not like this. This is not what I like seeing, to be honest. Let me just switch to my beautiful. Unaona hiyo kitu inasonga kama mshale. If it doesn't form a setup here in the next macro, the macro is starting in the next 2 minutes. That was a beautiful call. Let's see. 950 kwa hapo. And then I have 10. So I'm supposed to take a trade inside this kill zone. So you can see all these unfilled key levels. Price will come to fill them, maybe as the sell. So price is approaching here, the 0.5 for the mean threshold here. So I'm just waiting. Come on, price it to sell. Nice one. Price has actually delivered very well. This is over 150 pips. My target has been hit. 179 pips. That was a good one. Very understood. Yeah, manze. Gaki, I hope it's so nice that you're learning from this stream. The cooked. Kuna mzito wako hapa. I hope this is Kev Kuria. This guy is a god. He's goated. Uko X atakubuli utashanga. Kev Kuria is good to have you. He's the only friend that I know who trades US30 very well. He's a very sana wale tunaita the profitable. Na mzee tukuongelea story ya viazi. Ile story ya viazi tu tafutane. So the cook says, I'm cooking the cooked. So we have, yeah, let's see. Let us see. T1, I hope you've seen. in the premium, the price will come back to fill all these gaps that unaona saizi. So let me just wait now to look for a sell setup. If the price does not give me that, the buy is successful. I just didn't get into the trade, you know. Wacha tuone kama itatutengeneza inversion fair value gap ama itengeneze stop and kwanza, and then we engage. So we have 65 people locked in. Just give me some likes, guys. I'm not asking for too much. Let us see. Guys, we are having 32 likes and we have 60 people watching. You know, just do me some justice. Just hit the like button, guys, if you're serious. If that call was insightful to you and you felt that this is good, just hit the like button. You know. So the macro has actually started. So I'm going to remove this one and wait for price to form a setup. You see, these unfilled fair value gaps, you can use them as targets. But price has delivered beautifully on the buy side. Yeah, that was a very clean call. Sharp. I hope this is not Eman, because Eman ndio anatumianga hiyo sharp. So I think football sphere, you should be sued for using Eman's trademarks. Momani locked in as always, my friend from X. So guys, we are 70 people. Let's get some likes. So it's almost 70 people watching. Let me get some likes, guys. You know, let me get some likes. 43 people wame like. Si tupate likes zingine hapo kibao manze. Hiyo lot ingine yenye hawaja like. So now this is a stop and. Oh god. Sasa unaona sasa hii price imedeliver na mimi sijaingia hiyo trade. Sasa alafu niita hii next na ikatae. Hii trade saa zingine ni ngumu. Sometimes when you call trades, they go in your direction, and then when you try to put a trade, inakurivasi hapo, unaona mambo hujaiona. Okay, we have Eddie. Good to have you. Let us see what's happening. Price has done a stop and so this one I anticipate equal breaker. So I might take a loss if the setup forms and I'm not. If I check daily, let me see how deep in premium are we. Where it trade, ita sell kweli. But this is what I'm having. This sell candle inafaa ni push chini. So if it doesn't sell, I cannot be able to take another trade. Let me see if the stop hunt happens. The stop hunt has happened. I'm now waiting for price to use this one as a breaker. And then I can continue because this now qualifies to be an order block already. The last sell before price took out the high. So I'm waiting for price to, you know, close below inside my macro. I'm waiting for price to come and close below here. Ikikata kufanya hivyo tutasema tu ni hivyo, tutangoja kesho. Mbugua Njoroge, nice call today. Keep up G. Yes. Niaje $15 already na 0.1 yangu. Okay, si unafaa unichangia hata mimi kama nisikie vizuri. Kwa mtu aliambia ninunue token. Oh god, this is amazing. So let me see if price does that setup. Yeah, definitely. The markets are here all day. Ukistrain better than losing capital. Yeah. Than losing capital, boss. Yeah, you know, let's wait. If the price doesn't do another setup or does a setup and doesn't, you know, there are days that we'll have good setups that are timely. So let's just exercise patience. You know, 90% of this game is patient. If you're not patient, you know, you'll get cooked. Ours is just wait, but the price has actually done what I would expect today. Even if I've not, engaged, that's still a successful one. So let us see. Let's hold. Let's hold on. Let me check what NQ is doing. Oh God, look at this. Hii kitu ni ufala. Mi siwezi trade hii kitu. How is this what is this doing? Let me not even look at it. So, but I'm just waiting for this hour to close in the next 5 minutes, and then I'll have a fair value gap here. If I'm supposed to continue higher, remember I cannot sell just because price has formed a breaker on Nasdaq. Because now the problem is there is no key level to compare price at. So you just have to wait and see. So even apart from the 1 hour, let me mark the 50 minutes. Yeah, price has actually come on the 15 minutes key level that I thought about. So Nasdaq has done that. Let me see if it now forms a setup to buy. Check kwanza niangalia US30. Form setup kama siko hapo nitakufa. So price is actually closed below vizuri. We don't have displacement yet, but this is it. We have the last sell before price. So I'm hoping price closes below and then I can wait for a retracement inside. Let me see the stop loss. Ningapi? It is mingi. Let's wait and see. If the price respects it, we good. All right. Oh God. So 75 people locked in. Guys, simunipige likes hapo manze. Sijapata breaker ndo nategea yani. I'm waiting for that breaker to form. I'm looking for displacement. So if I don't get that displacement, I cannot be able to engage. So let's wait. Let us see. If now price has attacked this buy side. So if I'm supposed to continue low, I'm now waiting for price. This is another stop hunt here. So I want to see if price can now close below here. You see this one below this last sell candle. If it closes above, I'll sell. We have Wesley says high resistance day on Nasdaq. Chris G says Nasdaq just dumped. Kaki says Lusungu Kiswahili. Let me go drop kiddos to school. Okay, that's nice. You just meet us on stream when you come back. We have Evans. It does it? So Alex Moredi says just a nog. Let me see. I want to see if price does that displaces below, and then we can, nataka kuona what will happen. Price is not displacing lower. Ours is just wait. Tungoje manze. We have someone says about an org. Okay, let's wait. We wait. Don't rush. We wait. Let me see what is happening on Nasdaq. Unaona Nasdaq ime drop hiyo kwa hiyo fair value gap. Acha nione. Let me see if it attacks this low and then does a breaker. But I'm not looking at the Nasdaq. Acha niangalie tu US30. So mimi nangoja US30 ifanye displacement alafu ni engage. So let's just sit tight. Let's wait. Alex Moredi says there is an NWOG on US30. Ilikuwa on 27th of July. Okay. Let's wait. If the price closes below here, itakuwa breaker. Unaona? So inataka close below. Yeah, that one now. I want to see that. So we wait for the next 56 seconds. Price has closed below. So I marked this buy side liquidity hapa. So this is the only sell setup in Tatafuta, but price has not done a very good displacement. But 34, okay. Let's see. Let us see. So we wait. Price has taken out the high. So if it goes above here, I'll be out. Damn. I think the gods are not with me on this one. I think nimetolewa sasa. Imekata. So price imekata. So that is it. That is the only sell I would try. Imekata. So I'm not looking to short anymore. So that is it. And key form setup here shorts. Okay. But you know the problem with Nasdaq is let me see, that's 100. Oh, Me, I cannot sell Nasdaq because I don't know what key level Nasdaq is reacting from. It's at the all-time high. Yeah, iko na hiyo setup ndaiona hapo. I think let me just wait for US30, see if there will be another trade, but hiyo ya kwanza imekataa kabisa. Price will not send go lower. All right, we wait. This one has been violated. It was inside our macro, but we'll try again another time. So let's wait and see. 80 people locked in, stopped out to US30 at a retracement haitaki bana. Yes. Pia mimi nimekuwa stopped out. So that is it. Larry says and Kim from okay, yeah, but hii imekataa bana. I would have loved to short this thing, manze. But now the macro is here. I'll try a second attempt, but let me see on daily what I have. Hakuna kitu kingine naona hapa bana. There's nothing that can send prices lower kama sio hapo maliko. Price has taken out the 4 hours candle, the high. Let me see. You know, can also be a good but sasa the problem, you see, it's how the candles are closing above. You see, with us very serious, you see, 1, 2 candles. That is why you're seeing a very strong buy happening. So we just wait, we just hold on, we wait and see. Let's be patient. But already we have a good trade already that has happened, so we can't afford to feel bad about it. Let me see how many likes we have. Tuko na 50 likes and we have 70 people watching. Guys, just do me some justice kidogo tu. Just hit the like button for me. You know, this will go a long way to making this dream happen. That is it. I'll try to look for another sell because we still have unfilled fair value gaps. So let me see if it's going to be happening in the next 3 minutes or else I'll not look for another trade. So we wait. Let us wait and see. Unless if you have something to ask, you can ask. Alex Moredi says Enog low at 44. Let me see. 44,956. 44,956. Check on daily. But you know, the buy has been great. You cannot complain. We cannot complain. I don't see any other thing here, manze, apart from this one. So I think the buyers won it. The buyers had it. Let's see. Let us wait and see. Acha tusikize ngoma kidogo tukingoja.
Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get close and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say the way that you whine it, girl. I can't believe how I'm black, girl. Come on, mood, don't you mind it? You love me, no way did you want it, baby. Baby, give me love for tonight. You got me tripping every night, me stay for the night. Walking a good summer love. It takes over me, my soul and my mind. I feel like I need a king, baby girl. I wanna give you love, it feels so right. And in the meantime, you hold my heart. Just don't forget who you are. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nitangangana, na kama bado tai nitakazana, yeah, yeah. Nitapambana, na kama bado tai nitapull over, yeah, yeah. Just hold me tight, I move you right. Nita feel so nice. Move your body, nikona money. I will spend on you. Find it a fight, kama kuna msana waste time. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song your clothes and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say, nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your clothes and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say the way that you whine it, girl. I can't believe how I'm black, girl. Come on, mood, don't you mind it? You love me, no way did you want it, baby. Baby, give me love for tonight. You got me tripping every night, me stay for the night. Walking a good summer love. It takes over me, my soul and my mind. I feel like I need a king, baby girl. I wanna give you love, it feels so right. And in the meantime, you hold my heart. Just don't forget who you are. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nitangangana, na kama bado tai nitakazana, yeah, yeah. Nitapambana, na kama bado tai nitapull over, yeah, yeah. Just hold me tight, I move you right. Nita feel so nice. Move your body, nikona money. I will spend on you. Find it a fight, kama kuna msana waste time. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your clothes and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say, nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime.
All right. I'm just waiting for the next macro. Oh, God. Let's wait and see what happens. The next macro is coming up. Daisy mazee sijui ako wapi leo. Chris G's. Acha ni mute. what the hell is wrong with my music, bwana? Don't worry. You know the reason I can't use any other music is because you'll have copyright strikes. And I don't want to have those. So I have to use my own music. There is a reason why. So price is giving me a breaker. Let me see. This is my last try to short. Doesn't work. Good for it. So honestly, vile itafanya mambo za ujinga hapa. Let me wait and see. This is the last setup that I need to try to short. So let me hope price comes back. Not hope. Let me wait. But now the problem is the macro is not yet here. We don't have macro right now. So I hope the price comes in inside this breaker and then I can try to short. The reason I'm selling is, you know, I caught the buy, I had the buy, but it happened mapema sana. So the breaker is already here. This candle is reacting. Ona sasa. It's going below. Inaenda vizuri. Let me just hope it comes back so that we can have a nice entry. But pia the risk was not too much. I just hesitated kidogo. Ndo kudonjo. Manze, there's nothing that is as bad as missing out a trade. Oh, now look at what it's happening. I was just about to press my button on my Meta 5 and then the price has already moved. Look at that. And you see the first attempt I did, the price actually delivered. The second attempt, imekata. This is the third attempt and the last attempt. So let me just wait and see. So you know what happens? What happens when price? What happens when price? When you get when you miss a trade, you suffer from FOMO, you know, and then the next trade you take inaweza kuuma mbaya sana kama ya kwanza imekunyorosha. So this is another breaker. This is the first breaker. So let me just hope it comes inside here and then I can try to short. Good. So we have 1020. This macro is not an ICT macro. Just know that, but it's perfect for reversals. 1020 to 1040. Let me just hope it comes in here and then goes out inside macro. You know what makes you not overtrade is the setups that have to be on time. You have to be timely. So let me just wait. I just want to see price doing a retracement. And then if I lose that one, I'll be good. Okay, let's just be patient, waiting. Let's be patient. Let me play some music.
Baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. So get close and feel my warmth. Not through the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortuna, we can play like a dog.
So you can see price is actually moving on very well, but this would have been a very good entry for me. Let's just wait and see. I hope you're following closely. Let me see what happened to Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Oh, this is so garbage. Look at this. If I was supposed to continue buying, I think this would be the setup. Let me just put the, what is it called? The long position. See if price will disrespect or not. Because, is it? Let me just wait and see. This, there was an H1 key level here. Yeah, beautiful. Let's go back to US30. Ona hii kitu sasa. Ta sell tu kama siko. Itaniua wallahi. Ona hiyo kitu ina sell. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Mimi nakwambia kutrade ni kazi. I'm not, I was hoping Nasdaq would buy, but kama ita buy, that is the level I marked. But if it doesn't, no problem. No problem. The risk is not much. Sio mingi. 15 pips. If it comes below here, then we are cooked. I'm just reading US30. So US30 is actually going very well. This is over 50 pips. 59 pips, and I'm not in the trade. The price will come and fill all these levels that niliwaambia about. So this was not a good entry. There was no good entry here because price did not go back inside the breaker. Price did not do that. You're in what? You're in Nasdaq. Unaona sasa, the problem is the trade delivers without you and then it comes back to the entry hapo ikuti kutoe. Unasikia ni kama utachizi. So now let's wait and see if you see now if it would have given a good entry, I'd be 50 pips and already holding with break even. So whatever it does, even if it comes back, I would, But now you can see it is doing a retracement. Let me just wait. Price has done this many times. It is just giving us the fear of missing out, FOMO. So when you chase it and then now it reverses back. So yours is just wait. You don't have to have pressure. Wakudumu watadumu manze. Yeah. Check 5 minutes breaker. Acha tuone. I entered the fair value. Every retracement is an entry for me. Wow. I like your style of trading. Me, I don't just go. Every retracement, bana me is than you. I'm checking Nasdaq. Let me see if kama I think kidungi. Hii imekataa hata siangalia. Let me just wait on US30. You can see it's going very well, but hakukuwa entries. Now look at this thing. Delivering beautifully from the breaker I marked. This is 60 pips. Wow. This is actually awesome. This is so awesome. So there are different types of traders. There are those that are aggressive. There are those that are, there are those that take time to wait for price to go back. There is, you see, the aggressive. Once the price closes below the breaker, you just engage with the next candle, then profit. But there are those of us who want minimal risk. We just prefer when price goes in. After displacement, there should always be a retracement, and then you just go. So I hope this live has been. I think this live has been very good. Kudumu atadumu manze. NQ sells targeting Asian low. Yeah, even Dow is selling. Okay, amazing. Let's see. Let us see. So the problem of getting into this trade now, the risk is not very well defined, because even if I sell from this, now this one is now officially a breaker. All this, but I have to put a stop loss above here. That is why I like having my setups. My stop loss is zikiwa kidogo sana. This would be a very perfect entry for me here. I missed it by just checking kidogo tu hivi nikapata kitu imesonga. And you can't chase price. I know some people are so aggressive. Even inafaa kukua. You execute like a machine. So let's be patient. Let me play some music, and then I can get a glass of water.
Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your clothes and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, we can play like a dummy. Say the way that you whine it, girl. I can't believe how I'm black, girl. Come on, mood, don't you mind it? You love me, no way to do it, baby. Baby, give me love for tonight. You got me tripping every night, me stay for the night. Walking a good summer love. It takes over me, my soul and my mind. Pinna Juanita King, baby girl. I wanna give you love, it feels so right. And in the meantime, you hold my heart. Just don't forget who you are. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nitangangana na kama bado time nitakazana, yeah. Nitapambana na kama bado time nitapull over, yeah. Just hold me tight, I move you right. Nita feel so nice. Move your body, nikona money I will spend on you. Find it a fight kama kuna msana waste time. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your clothes and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say, nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off.
So you can see price has actually gone very well. That is, I think, 100 pips and something from this level to hapa chini. That is, no, not 100, 91 pips down. Those that were following, mnaniambia sijui kuna sijui no, I'm not checking all. Sometimes I just choose to ignore the advice because I trust my system. The setup has happened, which is actually very, very okay, and nimedeliver tu pia vizuri. So I think that is it. Let me just wait and see if it hits 200 pips. See, sendo imefika 100 pips. So remember about the stop loss placement we can have here. So you put there, you can have your stop loss at this high hapa. No, hapo, always at the swing high. So and then you target like 100 pips or 200 pips. So that is it. Price will, I told you price itakuja ifeel all these things, all these key level, all these unfilled fair value gaps, and price has actually done that. I think I deserve a thumbs up, guys. Just hit the like button. Come on, you make fiti. So that is it. We just price is actually going very well. This is a very beautiful delivery, guys. A very good delivery. The buy for US30. Where would be the best place to take it? I'm just going to show you. Ooh, this is so nice. I love this. No, for 10K challenge, just use the, the innate one in. Just, I choose to be aggressive. Whenever I'm having a very small risk, kama hii, I just use $4 per pip lot size. And then I aim for 200 pips. Hivyo tu utapita hiyo challenge na trade tu moja. Unaona? So this has been a very good trade. This is a very good trade. Inaenda vizuri sana. I'm just going to show you how. So for the continuation, ya buy mtu angeshikia hapa. Unaona hapa? This is the breaker. Once it closed above, retracement, stop loss hapa chini. Unaona? This is how actually you do it. Long position hapa. And then you can target. That's how you put my stop loss below this low, at this low. Yani. So that is a very good trade. That is a good call on stream. Imeenda vizuri sana. Ona vile tuna kill manze. This is so nice. Guys, did anyone check this? Did anyone nani alitake your trade yourself? Kesho ndio Emma anawakilisha. Yes, we talked about that. I think I'll talk to him kwanza nisikie kama atakuwa available. The buy for US30 in shark show, take profit hit. Yes. Unatumia nini ku defend risk upate lot size? Sijazoea. You see, the thing is just when you just know the pips, the number of pips that you're risking. Unaona saa kama hii. Just don't be in a hurry. This is from here to hapa chini. This would be a 46. So kama unatumia $1 per pip, kama unatumia $1 per pip unge lose 46, but kena inaenda 200 pips na una gain $200. So unaona take profit na hit hapa chini. That's so nice. Nimeboeka huwezi jua. Sikanika naweza scream manze. Hiyo trade ina deliver tu, yani sababu nilishindwa yani nilichelewa engage, you know. I was just opening my meta 5. Kitu nikapata iko huko chini already. So Bemi anasema I took it. Niko $13 ndani with my small account. Actually my $10 account is flipped successfully. Yes, exactly. Mnafaa mwanze kutoa sadaka. Nitakuwa napigisha matrade noma sana hapo manze. Alafu nitakuwa napitisha kibasket hivi. Mnatoa sadaka hapo mkipita. Hiyo ni sawa. But I'm feeling very bad because I've missed that trade. I know some of you, my risk has to be very well. Mi natakanga trades zinaingia kwa retracement because there are other days that trade will, do its thing. Hii ni fiti sana. Wale walikuwa nasema you can't trade at $10. Ona sasa. This is 140 pips. Hiyo kwa 13 sasa iko 14. Kama ulikuwa na $1 per pip uko na 14 uko na $140. That's how you make 200 pips. Unless someone has a question, let's continue watching price. You can keep asking some questions hapa pale. I can just assist. So remember we've taken three trades. We were reading ya kwanza, ya pili imeniramba, ya tatu imekuwa fiti, na ya tatu kwanza. So in short, you can have winning trades and then close with a loss. So leo niko na loss sababu hiyo trade ya pili imenipita, yani imenigonga, alafu ya tatu sasa nimemiss entry. See now. So that's how you suffer from the fear of missing out. And then your psychology tells you chase that price. Once you start chasing it, inakuchafua mbaya sana. So it's always good to maintain your discipline. That is how you win. You have to maintain your discipline, guys. You have to have discipline. So all I want to continue. You can't sell from here because it can still come back all the way up. You see? This was actually a very good trade. Thumbs up. What is this guy saying? Kwani Eric, my bias has been bias. I was looking for that sell. You know me, bias yangu change kulingana na key levels. My bias changes when price comes to sweep some liquidity levels. You see? So I'm not stuck at it the whole New York I'm buying. Like I can buy to a certain point, and then when it takes out those key levels, I change my bias. That is it. But on US30, that was a good one. Okay, so Eric Aubu Melan, 53 people locked in. Let's continue watching price, see how it behaves. So someone is saying so Fabi says, thanks for the streams. You may realize I perform well on indices switching from Forex. Yes. No, I don't trade like that, Fabi. I don't just look at key levels and expect price to react to your design. No. I have my bias. Na kama ime deliver, I don't look for another trade. You see? I'm not even trying to check what is on each one. As long as my trade has performed very well, I'm good. So that is it. Let's just wait and see. And then I'm asking kama kuna mse hajapiga like hapo manze. Ndio utatuangusha. Let me see how many likes we have. We have like 58 likes. Si wase kadha wa like hapo manze ifike hata 70. Imagine tumecall price very successfully. That's the least you could do for me. That's the only thing I need. Just all right. Yes, it's good that you're learning. We have Chris G. Chris G has been very consistent. So that's so nice. That's so nice. That was a good trade. 3 trades, 1 loss, and then 2 wins. Nasdaq ilikuwa haingiani na style yangu, but I will pull up my socks. Lazima niingiane. Yes, you have to change or perish. You have to make it happen. There's no otherwise. So you can see iko fiti. Unless let's just wait and see if it hits. So that is it. I think we'll streams nitafanya next week peke. This week and then next week. Next week would be the last week to stream. You know, but so just get the best out of what you're having right now. Just go back to those videos, study them very well, watch every piece of information that I give out. So I think we've done it very well. Let's just keep waiting and see if it gets to 200 pips.
Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your close and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say the way that you whine it, girl. I can't believe how I'm black, girl. Come on, mood, don't you mind it? You love me, no way did you want it, baby. Baby, give me love for tonight. You got me tripping every night, me stay for the night. Walking a good summer love. It takes over me, my soul and my mind. I feel like Juanita King, baby girl. I wanna give you love, it feels so right. And in the meantime, you hold my heart. Just don't forget who you are. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nitangangana, na kama bado tai nitakazana, yeah, yeah. Nitapambana, na kama bado tai nitapull over, yeah, yeah. Just hold me tight, I move you right. Nita feel so nice. Move your body, nikona money I will spend on you. Find it a fight, kama kuna msana waste time. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your close and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say, nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your close and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say the way that you whine it, girl. I can't believe how I'm black, girl. Come on, mood, don't you mind it? You love me, no way did you want it, baby. Baby, give me love for tonight. You got me tripping every night, me stay for the night. Walking a good summer love. It takes over me, my soul and my mind. I feel like Juanita King, baby girl. I wanna give you love, it feels so right. And in the meantime, you hold my heart. Just don't forget who you are. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nitangangana, na kama bado tai nitakazana, yeah, yeah. nitapambana, na kama bado tight nita pull over, yeah. Just hold me tight, I move you right, nita feel so nice. Move your body, nikona money, I will spend on you. Fight nita fight kama kuna msana waste time. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get you close and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say, nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get you close and feel my warmth. Not through the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dog. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get you close and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say, the way that you whine it, girl, I can't believe how I'm black, girl. Come on, mood, don't you mind it? You love me, no way did you want it, baby. Baby, give me love for tonight. You got me tripping every night, me stay for the night. Walking a good summer love. It takes over me, my soul and my mind. I feel like I need a king, baby girl. I wanna give you love, it feels so right. And in the meantime, you hold my heart. Just don't forget who you are. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nitangangana, na kama bado tight nitakazana, yeah. Nitapambana, na kama bado tight nita pull over, yeah. Just hold me tight, I move you right. Nita feel so nice. Move your body, nikona money, I will spend on you. Fight nita fight kama kuna msana waste time. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get you close and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say, nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get you close and feel my warmth. Not through the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dog. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your close and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say, the way that you whine it, girl, I can't believe how I'm like it, girl. Come on, mood, don't you mind it? You love me, no way to you want it, baby. Baby, give me love for tonight. You got me tripping every night, me stay for the night. Walking a good summer love. It takes over me, my soul and my mind. Pinda Juanita King, baby girl. I wanna give you love, it feels so right. And in the meantime, you hold my heart. Just don't forget who you are. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nitangangana, na kama bado tai nitakazana, yeah, yeah. Nitapambana, na kama bado tai nitapull over, yeah, yeah. Just hold me tight, I move you right. Nita feel so nice. Move your body, nikona money I will spend on you. Find it a fight, kama kuna msana waste time. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your close and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say, nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your close and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say, the way that you whine it, girl, I can't believe how I'm like it, girl. Come on, mood, don't you mind it? You love me, no way to you want it, baby. Baby, give me love for tonight. You got me tripping every night, me stay for the night. Walking a good summer love. It takes over me, my soul and my mind. Pinda Juanita King, baby girl. I wanna give you love, it feels so right. And in the meantime, you hold my heart. Just don't forget who you are. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nitangangana, na kama bado tai nitakazana, yeah, yeah. Nitapambana, na kama bado tai nitapull over, yeah, yeah. Just hold me tight, I move you right. Nita feel so nice. Move your body, nikona money I will spend on you. Find it a fight, kama kuna msana waste time. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your close and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say, nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, Baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. So get close and feel my warmth. Not through the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortuna, make a play like a dog. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your close and feel my warmth. Not through the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortuna, we can play like a dummy. Say the way that you whine it, girl. I can't believe how I'm black, girl. Come on, mood, don't you mind it? You love me, no way did you want it, baby. Baby, give me love for tonight. You got me tripping every night, me straight for the night. Walking a good summer love. It takes over me, my soul and my mind. I feel like I need a king, baby girl. I wanna give you love, it feels so right. And in the meantime, you hold my heart. Just don't forget who you are. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nitangangana, na kama bado tai nitakazana, yeah, yeah. Nitapambana, na kama bado tai nitapull over, yeah, yeah. Just hold me tight, I move you right. Nita feel so nice. Move your body, nikona money I will spend on you. Fight it a fight, kama kuna msana waste time. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your close and feel my warmth. Not to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortuna, we can play like a dummy. Say, nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your close and feel my warmth. Not to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortuna, we can play like a dummy. Say the way that you whine it, girl. I can't believe how I'm black, girl. Come on, mood, don't you mind it? You love me, no way did you want it, baby. Baby, give me love for tonight. You got me tripping every night, me straight for the night. Walking a good summer love. It takes over me, my soul and my mind. I feel like I need a king, baby girl. I wanna give you love, it feels so right. And in the meantime, you hold my heart. Just don't forget who you are. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nitang'ang'ana na kama bado.
Daisy, it's good to have you. Daisy akwaka mali safi. Kia amejificha huwezi ona hata sura. Football sphere. Oh my god, this is amazing. So stream ilisha ni ile tu naeka tu ngoma icheze.
Walk to the door, give me photo, now we can play like a dummy. Say, nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. So get close and feel my warmth. Not through the phone, come walk to the door. Give me photo, now we can play like a dog. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get close and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me photo, now we can play like a dummy. Say, the way that you whine it, girl, I can't believe how I'm like it, girl. Come on, mood, don't you mind it? You love me, no way did you want it, baby. Baby, give me love for tonight. You got me tripping every night, me stay for the night. Walking a good summer love. It takes over me, my soul and my mind. Pinna bile wanita king, baby girl. I wanna give you love, it feels so right. And in the meantime, you hold my heart. Just don't forget who you are. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nitang'ang'ana na kama bado tai nitakazana, yeah. Nitapambana na kama bado tai nitapull over, yeah. Just hold me tight, I move you right. Nita feel so nice. Move your body, nikona money I will spend on you. Fight nita fight kama kuna msana waste time. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get close and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me photo, now we can play like a dummy. Say, nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime.